you can set it like to automatic trade, but I know like some guys who've been trying to like automate all this kind of stuff, and it's not going well overall. Okay, Salman, when do we have London and New York stream? I don't see like your premium, like, and I don't see donations from you. I was so upset, man. Come on. No, like I said, we're gonna have streams on September. So right now I'm a bit busy with other stuff, but overall, sure. I will start like streaming once again in September. It's gonna be probably only New York streams without London streams, because London is not that great for trading for me right now. So regardless of SFX algo, you can make it automatically, like to trade automatically. So like it will automatically take trades if you like, probably like with webhook you can do it, but the problem with SFX algo and any other indicators like this, not every signal will be exact. So it's not gonna be like 100% guarantee win rate. Or so like without proper filters, like without human eye, it's basically will have like 30-40% win rate, which is not that great. For example, let's talk like 15 minutes on gold. Turn off price action toolkit, and we're gonna use only SFX algo. So it's gonna start like shorting here, right? It's gonna start in shorting here, which is fine till 0.5 area, and it keep shorting and won't close this position. Yes, it's gonna be like one take, and then price will reverse, and gonna be like, and because it was some sort of news here, it will be activated only around like this area, which is not gonna be great. Like if you want to talk about like 1 minute, like look at how many signals, how much signals we have, and I have long term, and it's a day trading. So sensitivity is low, which means I have less amount of signals on my chart, right? So I like to combine it with price action toolkit. So when I see signal and I see that we have a buy signal in a discount after liquidity sweep and etc, like after like proper shift with a trend, then I'm gonna enter. Yes, I'm gonna have less trades, but my win rate will be higher. With my backtest, with my you can check my journal. One sec, let me link it to you. I didn't update it for August because I've been barely trading, like only like 5 to 10k accounts, right? But from April till July, you can see I have almost like 75-80% win rate. It's like price action to get plus SFX algo. So it's just combination of these two indicators. And like majority of the people, they think that if they buy or subscription for our indicator or like any other indicator from any other like a company like Lux algo, probably I don't remember all of them, SFX algo from like Flux chart, right? If buy signal appears on the chart, they just blindly just press like buy button. Yeah, I know like you want to do this, but trading is not that easy. You want to see some sort of liquidity sweep. You want to see you want to follow the trend. You want to see like context from the high time frames. If you have a premium and you've been following me and watching all my classes, or at least like half of them, or like last like lesson sessions, like I had like 7 lessons in a row with explanation with everything. It's basically like all information you need to be successful trading with these indicators. Liquidity sweep, yes. Premium discount. If I were looking for long, I want to buy in discount. If I were looking for short, I want to buy in a premium. If price for longs, for example, if price in discount, yes, yes. What else? Do I have a shift on lower time frames? Yes, yes. That's it. You already have this small like checkpoints like 1 to 3. If you have all these three checkpoints, you can easily enter position and have like 70-80% win rate. Hello HM, hello. So SFX algo, you can check like guides on our website. I also posted an in-class recording session like full guide about it, but overall I explained it like many times how to use it properly. Price action toolkit is like simple tool. It's just like showing you liquidity areas, showing you sessions. It just like speed up your analyzing process, but it won't affect your judgment at all. Does anyone know about the B2Nix app just shut down? B2Nix. 1 second. B2Nix. B2Nix. 1 second. Let me trust pilot. So they have a lot of fake reviews. Yeah, so they usually like blocking. Like, yeah, it's a scam company. It's a scam company. Maybe you have problem with internet, but overall, if you can withdraw your money from this exchange, please do, because from reviews that I'm looking at, it's a scam company. It's it's even says like warning. Yeah, they also do like fake reviewing. So they buy reviews. Right here, so it's kind of. Well, I hope so. Fuck. I had long here, and it was like was 1-to-1, but it's fine. I had it in British pound. Yeah, like you see, like it's super easy like to just understand like what is going on. It's price action toolkit show me it's a previous weekly low. Yes, I can draw it by myself, but instead I it just like speed up my analyzing process, right? And I'm looking at previous weekly low. Okay, I have a rate. Now what I need some sign of reversal, right? It's also a deep discount already. So it's a discount, liquidity sweep. I have this like two checkpoints. What about like structure? I need market shift, right? So I need a change of structure, or I need absorb. For me, entry point was here because it was absorbed. As soon as the price like went up, I already knew it will keep going high. But this is the experience. Here, it's already like market shift was here, right there. Well, right here. What can I tell you? Yeah, I know as yes, guy, you cannot use it, but if you use sketch, you can use BNX. You can use BNX with fake ID, by the way, or you can use BNX without keys. Like I know like some people they use it in Binix, and there is no problem at all with them as US citizens. Like one thing that I want to tell you, if you use Sketch Exchange, like let's say you don't have like any other option, but I don't know, you can use like X3, X5 leverage as US citizen. I know it. So like it's up to X5. You can trade, for example, Ethereum. You can trade BTC as a US citizen. Yes, it's gonna be like a bit different and low leverage, but your money gonna be like safe. So why not? No, 5 years. It's you can't use 5 years. 5 years is just it's a prop firm that allows you to trade like forex market, stock market, commodities, and crypto. So Max is nice. Yeah, Max is great. They're legit. So Max, Bybit, Binance, what else? Binix, KuCoin. It's a 5. What else did I use? OKX. OKX. It's already 6 exchanges. Let me see. Let me see. What else did I use? One sec. One sec.
Друзья, всем привет. Вы попали на...
Ага. Bitjet is nice too. So 7 exchanges, and obviously crypto.com for Canadians, and Coinbase. But Coinbase and crypto.com, they have huge fees. Bluefin, I have no idea. I never tried it. Like, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Oh, they have extremely bad reviews. No, I wouldn't recommend it. Yeah, it's a scam company. Scam. Yeah, guys, feel free to ask questions. So, here all my first day as a subscriber, I'll take a look through all the channels for info. I've been trading for years and very unsuccessful at losing. Hoping the flux again will help me to instead much more. UK Top Cat. Yeah, you hear. You can hear me, right? Please write me down, like if you're talking about day trading, what exactly do you trade? Do you trade cryptocurrency? If you trade day trading for crypto, gold, not crypto. Okay, great. You're already on the right way. You want to trade only gold, some US indexes. Okay. Please pick like US 100, so it's Nasdaq or Dow Jones. Currency pairs. So you're trading like me. So I highly recommend you to do this. Don't trade US 100. Keep an eye on a DAX. It's extremely good and a technical index to trade. From pairs, I would highly recommend you. Yes, it's all what we fucking need. So it's just dumped and you just like long in it. That's it. It's so simple. And gold. So it's basically what I trade. It's what about like this is like what I trade. Mark, I'm gonna answer your questions like in a few minutes. So yes, 100 DAX, Euro, USD, Gold. I trade like this like 4 instruments, and you can scroll up, you will see my journal. Sometimes I trade like something else, but I have more over like 12 years of experience, so I can do this. But overall, like 90%, 95% of my trades on this like 4 instruments. You can jump between instruments if you see like bad price action. For example, gold been in consolidation for a very, very long time, right? So gold been in consolidation since the beginning of August. So almost 3 weeks of consolidation. Obviously, you cannot trade it. You just simply can't, right? So you cannot trade gold because of consolidation. You jump in on other instruments, such as Euro, for example. But Euro had the same problem. Okay, German 40. German 40, yeah, it was tradable. It's like possible. Nasdaq was possible to trade as well. Okay, you see, like it's been going up, so it was possible to trade. So the thing is, how to trade it? Go to class recording section. Go to like lesson 1. I tried to do it like as short as possible, so it won't be like 2-3 hours of like in each lesson. It's like 5, like 15, like 20 minutes, like 30 minutes stop, with a lot of examples and clean explanation. If you don't have, if you still have questions, you can ask them like in general chat for premium members, or like trading chat for like everyone else. Also in class recording section, there is a guide for gold, there is a guide for Euro, there is a guide for Nasdaq. For these 3 instruments, you will be able to find full guides with all tips, with like basically like everything you need. It's a class recording session. It's a words of all lessons of all classes that we had for the past like 2.5 months. I recorded like everything. You can find a lot of information. If you won't be able to find, if you don't be able to find information you need, or you want, or you don't understand something in this like words, feel free to message me in general chat and ask like any questions you like. That's it. It's quite simple. How to use indicators, also plenty of videos, but I explained everything like at the beginning of this lesson, or like this stream, and without information that I provided in classes, it won't be that useful. So you won't understand like majority of the things that I'm gonna explain if I start explaining things like to you right now. That's it. About like stockbrokers. Let me. So because I'm Russian, and since 2022, I'm not able to trade like stocks, like American stocks. So I use like some shells. It calls like umbrella. So like, right. But I used to use interactive brokers. Interactive brokers, you can check, it's like one of the like biggest brokers in the world. So it's Fidelity. If you're from States, you can trade interactive brokers. Robinhood. If you're more like advanced trader and you have a lot of experience, you can trade on Thinkorswim or Webull. Yeah, like Vantage is nice too. Papers, yeah, great as well. It's just like it depends on your jurisdiction. A markets is nice, like for like forex market, for example. They have a nice. You can check just Google or ask ChatGPT about what stockbrokers I can use, like for like US citizen. and also ask ChatGPT to compare like some tariffs, like plans, fees, and etc. Because if you, for example, scalper, like for you, it's better to have like lower fees. For me, as a day trader that has like 1-2 trades a day, sometimes a week, I don't care about like fees. Okay, I'm gonna pay like $6 for one lot, like on Nasdaq. I will pay like $60 like for one position. I'll make 1K outside of this like trade, 1K on this trade, and that's it. Yeah, like forex, like interactive brokers, like you should understand, interactive brokers is pain in the ass, but your funds gonna be protected 100% with them. So if you prefer safety, interactive brokers your choice. But I would recommend to, if you have like a lot of money and you trade like different stuff, have like multiple brokers. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Yeah, they're great for shares. Because I've been trading shares for like I started in the stock market. I went from Russian to like American stock market, and I've been trading market for the stock market till 2022. Purely like stock market, and been managing millions of dollars. Not mine, sadly, but someone else, which is like even harder sometimes. Yeah. So like brokers is just like something that you have to figure out for yourself because of like jurisdiction that you like depends on the jurisdiction. Yes, like one like there are 4 different jurisdictions for brokers, if I'm not mistaken. It's a US and like it's basically North America. I don't remember if like South America in North America division, Asia, Europe, and like Russia with like post USSR like countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. Um, like Asia, it's also Arabic countries, if not mistaken, something like this. So there are like few like areas where like different jurisdiction and different like assets you can trade. For example, if you in India, you are not able to trade like forex market. That's it. So that's like I can recommend you like for example A markets, but no. But like if you in Russia, for example, you can trade like forex market easily. In Europe, you can trade it. In USA, you can trade it, etc. It's all about it. Regardless, indicator. So we already like explained SFX algo, price action toolkit. It's so awesome. There are like indicators, like few types of indicators. One type of indicator, it's affect your judgment, like SFX algo, right? Because it tells you like, or you make your decision based on this indicator, right? Second, another like it's RSI, EMI, Ichimoku clouds, like some sort of waves, Gauss, and all this kind of stuff. Like there are like shit ton of like things that you can, yeah, like Gauss, Reborn, like oh my god, it's like volatility bands, like, but it's basically EMAs, right? RSI, MACD, all this kind of stuff. It's basically calculated on average like number and giving like this information. You enter in on average price. But the thing is, they affect your judgment. Some indicators, they just like useful, like price action toolkit. They won't do anything. They just provide you information, and based on this information, you can try it by yourself. But it just like speed up like analyzing process and save you time. Pretty much that's it. And third type of indicators, fuck, I don't remember exactly. Like a volume, they just give you like information as well, and you make a decision based on this information. Yeah, pretty much that's it, guys. Do you have any other questions? Guys, do you have any other questions? Oh, nice, Karen. Where are you going? I also saw this video. I also saw this video. Yeah, Greece, nice. This one. You have to get there. As an intraday trader with combination of speculative no. So top cat. There are like three things that are the most important on the market. It's like S tier, or what you have to look at. Sui. How much Sui went up? 7%. Nice. Okay, so there are like three things. Remember, three things. Fair value gaps, breaker blocks, all. Yeah, a lot. A lot invest in a lot on this way. Like breaker blocks, fair value gaps, order blocks, all this kind of shit. It's like not important compared to these three things. So remember, because it's like what moving the market. So first thing, always liquidity. No matter liquid. I hope I spelled it correctly. So liquidity. It's like first things that gonna move the market, liquidity. No matter what is going on. So it's only like I have 5 strategies that I always fucking up it. Yeah, it's good. Thank you. So no matter what is going on, like I have like 5 strategies. 4 of them based on liquidity sweeps. One is just order flow continuation. So like when we have uptrend, we just like working with order flow. It's based on the premium discount. So yeah, it's like different thing, but 90% of our strategies will be based on liquidity sweeps. So if there is non-liquidity sweeps, there is no entry. I will show you examples. Second one, it's premium and discount. I think it's like kind of simple, but you don't want to buy in a premium and you don't want to sell in discount. Do you want to buy a car for like $15,000, or like $20,000 that cost like 10K, or you want to buy this car for 8K instead of 20K? I think like the answer is like simple. You want to buy like for 8K, right? And same. Do you want to sell your car? If you want to sell your car for 10K, or you want to sell it for 8K? Of course, you want to sell it as with the highest price to get the maximum profit from it. And the last thing, it's a structure. So trend is your friend, right? So but well, with this order: liquidity, premium, discounts, and structure. So if you have uptrend and you're going against the trend, like most likely you're gonna lose. It's just like statistic. That simple. You're gonna hear these 3 things in my classes very often. Just these 3 things. Like it's all what you need to start trading. Besides like risk management, like psychology, rules, but from technical perspective, liquidity, premium, discount, structure. If you just apply liquidity sweeps so we have sweep of liquidity in discount, but on high time frame we have uptrend. On lower time frame we just had a shift from downtrend on lower time frame to uptrend. You have this synchronization with like time frames, and all this happened in POI, which can be fair value gap, order block, and doesn't matter, or just like in discount. You already will be profitable and have like more than 50% win rate with potential 1 to 2 risk reward trades. That's that simple. Majority of the traders, they don't understand this simple things, that all the 3 checkpoints, they have to be on the chart. They have to be on the chart, and they rush into the trades. They trying to convince themselves that this is a nice trade and make up some crazy strategies. Yes, they might work, but I tested like everything that's on the market. Everything. I've been in this like for 12 years. These simple things like works the best. Just the best. Like one of the best trader of all time, Larry Williams. You can check Larry Williams in like top competition for the traders. You can check. He has almost 14,000%. Second place is like 2K. So imagine guy outperform like guy on a second place in all time of this competition. It's more than 40 years of competition in this like tourney, like trading tourney. 40 years. It's like top tourney for the traders. If you manage to get into top 10 on this tourney, you will have guaranteed job in any like trading firm, in any bank, without any even any degree, any economic degree. If you manage to get into like top 3, you will have insane job. You know, like you will get like crazy, like it's a 300k minimum if you just get into top 3. If you get into if the top 10, it's you're gonna get job like offers from JP Morgan or like BlackRock and all this kind of stuff. But top 3, it's a guaranteed job. And this guy, he just like trade based on these 3 things. That simple. Just watch lessons. It will blow your mind. Like, and if you just example from today. Do you like it? Do you like this pump on a euro? I'm gonna show you what happened. I showed it to this guy. I have fucking like no idea like what he been doing. So structure. So it was first shift. We didn't test it. There you go. Liquidity sweep from previous weekly low. Jumping on lower time frames. Yeah, it's a bit dirty here, but still. First shift, second shift. You're entering, and there you go. It can be like previous weekly high. 1 to 13. Okay, another example. Previous weekly low. Same thing. Premium discount, okay. Here is from this low. First shift, second shift. Just tested discount, took liquidity, pump, and shift on lower time frames. Okay, gold. You can scroll trading chart. I've been talking about it a lot. 4 hours time frame. Everything that's below 0.5, it's a discount. I've been telling about building position below this line for almost a week. No, in a week. So now we have uptrend, pull back, and then move upwards. It's not a channel. It's just, yeah, it's just consolidation. Just consolidation. If we're talking about classic technical analysis, then yeah, we have this like trend line. It's just consolidation. We just like broke it. I wanted to see like test of this breaker here, this one, and we can long all the way up till 34.53. That's it. That's simple. That's fucking simple. Okay, another example. Jump on 40. There you go. 4 hours. There you go. It's always bouncing around like 0.779 if we're talking about deep correction. Took all internal liquidity, shift on lower time frame, boom, went up. I can find like a lot of examples like this. Another one, lower time frames, tested 0.5 probably. Yeah, tested 0.5. Tested 0.5. There you go. 1-to-1 trade almost guarantee. Yeah, there you go. And I'm talking about, I'm not talking about like lower time frames. I'm just looking at 1 hour. 15 minutes is like should be like lowest time frame you have to look at. Like never look at 1 minute. Never. Don't. Just don't even try. 5 minutes is the lowest, but 50 minutes at least. Yeah. Thank you, Harun. Was nice hearing you too. Pretty much that's it. That simple. Next week, no, I won't be streaming next week. I will be streaming in a week. September. Okay, guys. Yeah, I have to go. Thank you for watching. If you have questions, feel free to message in general chat or trading chat. Armenia? I'm not Armenia. Armenia. You can call me Armenia, or you can call me Ivan, Ivan, like whatever. I'm Russian, so I'm not from Armenia. For sure. Looks like Russian, 100%.